This is Rocco, the Retro Repairman, coming at you with another video. This one is titled the Japanese Hello Kitty Dreamcast, paired with the matching keyboard, GDMU, controller, TV remote with industrial strength, professional only, Duracell, ProCell batteries included. I should mention some aesthetic defects, such as the clip that retains the battery back for the remote is missing. It does do a pretty alright job of just staying in there, surprisingly not compared to other things, as you can see. If you can give it a shake, it doesn't come out, but if you give it a tap, it will. So I just want to disclose that, as well as some of the small scratches on this system, even though I did console bright with a volumizer number 40. Without further ado, let's go over some of the, well, how about all the games? We have Codebreaker for the Dreamcast, Four Wheel Thunder, 4x4 Evolution, 18-wheeler trucker, Sega Championship Football, 102 Dalmatians, Aerostring Airstrikes.
Dad, can I play it?
After we go through the game list. Alone in the Dark, Aqua GT, Armada, Army Men, Sarge's Heroes, Atari Anniversary Edition, Bang Bang Gunship Elite, Blue Stinger, Bang-I-O.
Can I try that one?
I don't know. Let's find something I know you'll like. We're just going to go through this list. I'm not going to read off all 300 titles, but I will give you
What do all these things do?
Well, it's a keyboard. We're going to do Typing of the Dead to show the keyboard works. Obviously, we know the controller works because I'm browsing through it.
Is the keyboard... Is the keyboard...
So we have a 400... The keyboard is plugged in, honey, you see? It's in the second controller port. 400...
what is this button?
400... No. 400 gig... Don't touch. 400 gig micro SD card loaded with the whole NTSC library, as well as a handful of Japanese shooters and PAL exclusives. We have to have the Shemu for the Shemu fans, God forbid. Anywho, as we continue on, you could continue to see the extensive list of games here. Toy Commander still online, baby, as well as Phantasy Star Online.
Oh, what happened?
We went to the end of the list. So we're going to do Typing of the Dead to show that the keyboard works.
Which one should I like?
Here. Now, if you see those bars, that's because this is scanning in a higher resolution than the 60 frames per second. So you won't see that if you're live.
Which button makes a start?
You'll see. Oh, man. I don't want to switch the ports. We have it in the wrong slot. Well, anyways, as you've seen, it says you need to put the, it says hit the enter key.
Where's the enter?
Oh, that's that one. We already hit it. Now press it again. Thank you. And then again. Thank you. I have a wonderful assistant, my beautiful 4-year-old daughter, Cadence. So yeah, I thought because we had it in the wrong controller ports, because I had to navigate the menu with the Dreamcast controller, that it wouldn't work, but apparently it's responding on being in the second port. So here we are, Typing of the Dead. Oh look, the little Hello Kitty icon goes up with the volume. That's so cute. Press the enter key. Yeah. Typing of the dead. All right, we're 5 minutes in now. Press it again. We can't do this when your brother's up. Again. Because these get so scary. All right, so you see the letters like you learned in your alphabet? Here. Go to training mode. Use the arrows here. There. All right, training mode is going to teach you. So it's going to tell you to type out words so you can kill the zombies when you type the words. So look, it's going to tell you the word when it comes up. So you have to put in foul. F-O-U-L. Dead. Soup. S-O-U-P.
You do all.
Golf. G-O-L-F. Hood. H-O-O-D. So that's how it works. But anyways, as you can see, this works beautifully. My daughter sees WIG, W-I-G. W-I-G. All right. Anyways, thank you guys for watching and bearing with us. You all have a good one.